Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete plugins from cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am using a support post for this, simply because I do not own a site with cPanel, so let me just go over this really quickly. Now, all plugins that you install on cPanel, pretty much most of them differ, most of them are different, and on most of them it is up to the actual creator to provide a valid uninstall script to make things easier and to not cause any problems to you. And if it doesn't have it, then you'll need to do a bit of a fix. But usually make sure that you go to your plugin files, and usually the creator will provide an uninstall script which you can just run, and it'll uninstall the third-party plugin. Now, if you want to delete it yourself, or if there is no plugin uninstall script, you can just use this command, which you can see here. You just open up the cPanel interface. You just type in this command, which is user local cPanel scripts, and then uninstall underscore plugin, and then the plugin file. This is the location where your plugin is installed. Then just run this script and your plugin file will be deleted, as well as the actual plugin. Now, I do recommend that you back up your site or your cPanel data before you do anything, just in case if anything corrupts or if anything is unsuccessful. You can just easily flash the entire server, completely format it, install a new version of the operating system you wish to use, and then install cPanel again, and then you'll have your your clean install without any plugins, and then you can just use the backup to add any files which you want to save, and that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.